Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification, and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how to measure your 13x4 full frontal lace. Okay, so firstly you're going to measure your 13. Make sure you measure 13 and half. Okay, always add half so that it can enable you to sew in your lace into your wig cap. So guys, you're going to measure your half and always make sure it's in a straight line with the mark that you've given to your 13. So always measure 4 and a half, all right, so that when you're sewing you will not tamper with your measurements. Okay, so this is the 13x4. Okay, you're going to make sure you draw a line to match from the down to the 13. So okay, so guys, this is the measurement. So the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to cut out this lace, leaving a tiny line behind it. Okay, just like this. So guys, this is it. This is how to measure your 13x4 frontal lace. So I'm going to sew it into my cap. Okay guys, if you liked this video, if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to like this video and share and drop a comment. Mostly don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much guys. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.